What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and I'm also going to go through 3 indices, which is Nasdaq 100. I'm going to go through S&P 500 and UK 100, starting with natural gas as usual. What an awesome move we got here on net gas. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. Look for a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer. Once we have that, we have a good condition. The price will likely push higher. I'm only looking for buy trades at this point, not selling natural gas, but if the price keep on pushing higher, it will hit the next level of major resistance, which is right here. A new level if you want to plot these zones on the chart. Nice one. So we got an exact condition, pullback, bullish engulfer, and that was a valid entry. What an awesome hit of take profit. And if you are my student in MMT or if you are my priority member, you have seen this type of entries every now and then when I send you pullback entries. So at this point, we have a good take profit hit. A trade alert was also sent to the members, and both take profit 1 and take profit 2 has been hit nicely. So as mentioned yesterday that we were expecting a price to push higher. That has happened. Now the price is inside a level of major resistance. Right here on all the platforms, we are in the resistance level. Right here on Owanda, let's take a look here. As I trade on Owanda, I'm going to go through Nemex and Capital.com in a moment. So price now in a level of major resistance. In case you missed this zone here on Owanda, it is 2.961, goes up to 3.063, a zone from where we were looking to enter our sell trade, a zone sent to the members as well. So at this point, what I'm looking at, a good condition for sell. I'm not looking for buy trades anymore. If you see, we have an overbought situation as well. Now, if I see a green and red candle, in that case, I have my sell signal. All I'm looking at my sell trades, or if we have a push up or a double top looking pattern, something like this. If we have that, something like this, we have a very good sell signal. I'm only going to take my short trade. Now, let me give you a buy condition as well. If we have no sell conditions, let's say we have no bearish engulfer or we have no double tops, in that case, what can happen is we can get some pullback of few red candles followed by a bullish engulfing candle, something like this. If we have something like this after a pullback, I'm going to enter my buy trade, and my buy trade will be till this recent high. In that case, I'll start to look for my double top pattern, and if I see a rejection here, which is likely, in that case I'll take my sell trade. So that is what I'll be looking at for net gas. I'll look for sell trades first. If I have conditions like red, like green and red, bigger red candle or a double top, in that case I'll enter my sell trade. If I have a pullback without giving me any sort of sell conditions with a bullish engulfer, in that case I'll take my long till this recent high and look for a double top. I hope that makes sense, and if you are confused, rewatch it or DM me if you have any questions. So keep an eye here. These are the conditions I'll be looking at for my sell trades from this area of value. Here on Capital.com, exactly the same conditions I just mentioned here on Owanda. Just have these zones on the charts in case you missed it. These zones here, the number in blue are the zones if you want to plot these zones on the charts. Look for the condition I've just explained. Here on Nemex, exactly the same. The price hit the level of resistance 3.179, goes up to 3.283, from where we'll be looking to enter our sell trade. And remember that I'll be looking for pullbacks. I won't be holding on with my trades, or you can manage it by moving your stop loss to break even. It's totally up to you, because then we can hit level of recent support that has been broken, and then we can get a possible push up and continuation if the price wants to continue to push up in a trend. As we are still intact with an uptrend, we can just expect some pullback. That is enough to hit our target before the price will head higher. Exactly the same. I still have these zones on the charts. For my trend continuation zone, in case you miss this zone, is 3.004. That goes up to 3.092, a zone from where I'll be entering my buy trades, a trend continuation trade if you get a reason. These are zones if you want to plot these zones on your charts. Next one, we have gold. Gold has now hit a level of major support. I've been looking at to enter my buy trade. We still do not have any sort of buy condition. All I'm waiting, a good bullish engulfing candle. It must be a good engulfing candle, something like this, but I want to see this pattern happens in this area of value, and make sure the whole body covers the previous candle, including the wick. If it includes the wick, it covers the wick, it is a strong signal. If it doesn't, then it is still a buy signal, but a weak buy signal. So all I'm looking at are bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry condition. This is a major zone we've been waiting from last couple of weeks, and now the price is inside this area of value. Look for your buy conditions once we have a condition I've just mentioned. Here on silver, So exactly the same as a gold price is now hitting the level of major support. I'll still wait for my price to hit the zone which is 20.00 goes to 20.62, a zone from where I want to enter my buy trade with the exact same conditions, bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. Once we have that, we are good to go long. Still waiting for the price to hit my zone, not entering buy trade until we hit the zone here and I get a condition to buy from this area of value. Last one we have crude oil is also in the level of major support. Right here our zones sent to the members already, which is 82.11 goes up to 84.05. Now I'm waiting with patience for my good bullish engulfing candle. Once I have a good candle that fully engulfs the previous candle, doesn't matter if it happens at the lower area of this zone. If that happens here, I'm still going to take my long trade as long as I see a good signal, bullish engulfers, or if I see a double bottom condition. In that case, I'm going to enter my long trade. So I'm now waiting for the price to give me a reason to enter. We are now in the buying zone. So confluence number 1, the price must be in the zone. Confluence number 2, we are now oversold in the RSI as well. Confluence number 3, I want to see a buy signal. Once all 3 happens, that will be my entry and I'll take my trades accordingly that I have just mentioned. So let's quickly check indices and then I'm going to wrap this video and leave you to enjoy your weekend as well, because Thursday is my weekends. After Thursday I don't upload video. The next video will be on Sunday. Right here for S&P 500, I've already mentioned these zones on a chart. We had a good reason to enter, retest, and now we had a good hit of take profit already. If you have my priority member, you should have received these zones a couple of weeks ago, and that is exact condition. Now price is heading towards a level of major support, which is quite low. In case you want to mark these zones on a chart, 4044 goes up to 4088. This is an area now I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with my conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition. Now if we have a break below this low, because we already have this bearish engulfer, I want to see a break below this low, pull back, bearish engulfer, and keep on taking short until a price hit my zone here in green. For now, if we have a push up again, in that case I'll still look for my sell trades if we have a bearish engulfing pattern within this area for your sell entries. Nasdaq 100 is now heading towards a level of major support, which is right here, 14114 goes to 14385. This is an area from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades, bullish engulfers, double bottom, 382 candles. All these are my entry conditions. So I'm waiting with patience till the price hit my area of value. Once that happens, I'm going to enter my buy trades. Have these zones on the charts. Once we have a conditions, we are good to go long. Last one we have UK 100 is also heading towards a level of major support, which is 7238 goes to 7311. A zone from where I'll be entering my buy trades. So I'm still waiting for the price to hit my zone to enter my buy trades, not buying at this point, only looking for my sell opportunities with the pullback, bearish engulfers. Once we have that, we are good to go short till the price hit my area in green. So that's it for commodities and indices. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If you're learning something, please hit a like button for me. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. So before I end this video, I just want to mention that if you want to join priority group for free, you don't have to pay anything. All you need to do is just join one of my partner broker, and if you join them, the links are in the description of any of my video. If you just scroll down here, if you see right here the INFX, there's no commission account. Right here we have a different type of accounts, raw spread account if you're a scalper, and then we have a very good account which is a pro account, and minimum deposit requirement is 2K for this one. Otherwise this is 1K requirement for these account. We have IC market as well, switch market. Minimum deposit requirement is 1K for them, and once you join them, you're going to receive these area of value every week for all the commodities, major commodities like silver, aluminium, we have copper, we have sugar, we have wheat, we have palladium, we have platinum, we have coffee, and then we have corn. All the commodities you see here, if I see a good setups of that, then I send these zones to my members, and along with that you get indices reports as well. All these indices which I'm personally looking for a good setup for the following week, and with that you also get a forex reports every week for 4 to 7 pairs, get some demand and supply zones. So once you join that, you get all these, and you also get trade alerts 1 to 4 times a week, showing you the trades, the exact way of entering, the way I personally enter my trade, so that you can know how we enter the trade without any guesses. And with that, you can also DM me anytime if you have any trading related questions. I will answer your DMs on priority basis. And if you're trading any other indices, any other instrument, you can always check that charts with me or any confusion, trading related confusion. So all that are links in the description. All you need to do, DM me on Instagram, or you can email me at support@moneymarkers.net. So that's it I want to mention before I end this video. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.